conference will now be recorded.
Okay, we'll
And
go
also,
through that.
and
Go
also
ahead.
yesterday I was not able to attend the class. I have commented in the yesterday's video asking for the material to share to my email address. I have shared my email address over there. Should I share it
Okay,
here
you
also?
can. Yeah, you can share here.
My
Sandeep.
classes and our class, this online class coincide with same time, sir. My college classes and this online classes. That's the reason I'm not able to attend regularly.
Okay, so you can follow YouTube now.
Yeah, sir, I'm following you too.
Right. So you can share your email here, Sandeep.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, right. And one small announcement, guys. We are going to be starting a Gen AI batch. Gen AI 30 hours free master class from Monday. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
30 hours master class from Monday we are going to be starting 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So Mohansh is the trainer. Okay, you can join. Am I clear? And one more thing, this message you can share with your friends and your groups and your social media. Yeah, this one. This message you can share with your friends and this is a small request from Mohansh. This is a small request. This message, whatever the message I am giving here, please share. Keep as a status first of all, and share with your friends and your social media groups also. Okay, on WhatsApp groups and all. So that is one small request. Okay, let's go to the
Sir.
class. Yeah,
Sir, I have a
hierarchical.
small
Go ahead.
problem regarding. I have a small problem regarding a tuple. So yesterday I was trying to convert tuple to JSON, but I was unable. So could you please repeat that? How to do that?
Tuple to JSON.
Yes.
Tuple to JSON is not convertible. Dictionary to JSON convertible. Why? Because JSON and dictionary both are looking same object or something like. Am I clear? JSON have array, na? Okay. Tuple you cannot able to convert. Huh? One second. One second.
Now
You
on
can
the
able to.
video, you were saying that we can convert list to JSON array,
Okay,
tuple to
I will tell
JSON
you.
array.
Let me
Yeah.
tell. There is our collaboratory. Yeah. What's your question? Tuple to import JSON. Okay. Let's define a tuple. Huh? Tuple object. Tuple object equal to something like this 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, or something, whatever it may be. You want to convert this into the JSON array, right? You want to convert this into the JSON array. Am I right?
Yes.
JSON array means what? Okay, JSON dumps dot tuple object. Converted.
So if you take a complex sentence like employee name, a colon dot Mohansh, something like that, within that tuple, and if we want to convert that into JSON array, would that be happening?
That will be happen automatically. Tuple and list both are actually ordered list, na? Both are ordered list, like 0. index base. Please mute guys. Mute.
I
Sandeep.
I Sir, I tried with a complex sentence. I mean complex syntax, but I didn't
Can
get
can
that
you
result.
can you provide me in the chat box that complex sentence?
Okay, okay, I will.
Okay. So meanwhile we go with the class. Please mute all. Mute everyone. So Sandeep is asking like hierarchical inheritance, huh? Sandeep? Hierarchical inheritance. Let me go. Okay, let's define some class first of all. Let's define some class. Okay. Class something like animal. If I take class called animal, inside the class, I just want am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So office Wi-Fi actually dropped. I connected with my mobile data. Okay, right. Right. Animal can speak. I just told something. Next, I want to go for one more class. Let me go for the one more class. 1 second. Let me define the child class for this. Child class for this. Child class. Class. Child class. This one is child class. This one is parent class. This one is parent class. So Cow also from animal. This is the hierarchical or not? Hierarchy or not? Animal to dog,
Sir,
animal to
up
animal
until just now,
to cat.
your video was not showing up. So
Mm, second, sir.
just now it started showing your video. Could you go over the code, explain again? Like, don't need to type this. Just explain what is which method and how it works.
Yes, yes. See, the first class, parent class, that is class animal. My video is okay? Is it visible?
Yes, sir. You are audible and visible now.
Right, it's fine. Hmm. First class, parent class, class animal. Okay, that is having some method. Let's, I want to define some child class. The child class is dog, that is coming from animal. One more child class that is coming from animal. One more child class coming from animal only. Okay, cow sounds like something like cow sounds like cow sound. I
Mo.
don't know. I don't know about cow
Uh,
sound.
in English, mo, they sound it has mo, sir. They call it
Wow.
sound sounds as mo. Mo.
Okay. Oh, okay. Fine. Fine. I want to define now. I want to define now objects. Okay. So D is equal to dog. You can define the objects now. You can define the objects now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hmm. Define objects for each and everything. For dog, I want to define the object first. D is equal to dog. D is equal to dog. Dog can now you can see D dot bark, D dot speak. That's all. Only one method coming from the parent class, and one method itself. One method coming from parent class, one method itself. Okay. Two things. Okay. First of all, I need to execute this one. Okay. Now you can execute this one. Okay. Now you can define the object for. You can define the object for dog is okay. After the dog, what I need to go for? Cat. Huh? Okay. C equal to cat. Capital letter. Huh? Cat. What I given after dog cat. Okay. Cat on the cow. What C can get? C can. What is the methods for C? What is the cat? Cat meow. One is a meow. One is a speak. One is a meow. One is a speak. Okay. This is the cat. Cat sounds like meow. Animal can speak. One more object. We have cow. For cow, I give the object like CO. CO is equal to cow object. Sorry. Yeah. Cow object. Now CO dot. What the method I given for cow? Mo. Okay. Mo. At the same time, CO dot speak. Execute it. Attribute error. What is attribute error? Cow MOW. Oh, no. MWO. Cow sounds like this one. So you want to understand the hierarchical inheritance. See, first of all, in inheritances, sorry. I need to open Paint now. Open Paint. Okay, in inheritances, the first one is what? First one is what? Single inheritance. Second one is what? Sorry. First one is what? Single inheritance. Second one, multiple inheritance. Multiple means what? Multiple means what? Multiple means what? This is the multiple inheritance. Next one, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level
The
means
one
what?
you draw, the one you draw is multi-level, right, sir?
That is multi-level. Sorry, this is multi-level. Multi-level. This is multiple inheritance. Third one is multiple inheritance. This is multi-level. 3 levels are there. Okay, so this is multiple inheritance, but hierarchical nothing but hierarchical also same. Hierarchical also same. There is one class, but this class can have hierarchy. This is something like a tree. N number of objects, or number of classes, a number of objects. This is hierarchical inheritance. This is missing yesterday, I think so. And one more we designed, one more inheritance, hybrid. One more inheritance,
Yes, sir, hybrid.
hybrid inheritance. Hybrid means this one. Hybrid means this one. This is the hybrid inheritance. From this to this one coming, and from this and this coming. This is hybrid inheritance. Am I clear, guys? Inheritances. Can I go next topic? Method overloading.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let me go to the one more object-oriented concept, method overloading. Method overloading. Okay. So what is this method overloading is? There is a class. I want to define a class first. Okay. Class called animal. For this animal, I just want to write something like def speak, accept it. Okay. After that, what I want to do is here only, I want to take the one more class. I want to take the one more class. This is the child class of the animal. Okay. Same. This one, accept it. Not coming. A dog, which is coming from animal. Accept, accept, accept. Not coming. Okay. Here I can write def. Same method I want to write. Same method I want to write. Def speak. Same method I want to write. Okay. Animal having speak already, and dog also having speak now. I don't want to use the animal speak. I don't want to use the animal speak. I want to use the dog speak. But now when you create object for the dog, d is equal to dog. Okay. So what method I can able to call for d? Only speak na. When you accept the speak, only one line execution I can able to see. Animal can speak. No. D dot speak. Dog can bark na. Method overloading means, yeah, same thing. The method is overloading or not? Already a speak method is there. That speak method I can able to use in the dog also. I don't want to use the animal speak method. I want to use my own speak method. And here, this is what actually the method overloading concept. Animal can speak. Am I clear? First, oh, no. Execute. First execute. Yes, this one I want actually. Dog. Only dog related content I want to see. I don't want to use the parent level content. My mistake. I know I'm not executed that one. My mistake. Am I clear, guys? This one.
Yes, sir.
Let me go to the encapsulation.
Sir, one doubt, a small doubt.
Go ahead,
Is
go ahead.
method overloading happens between two classes, or it happens between multiple methods in a same class?
Child classes. Only for
Okay.
the child classes. Only
And
for the child.
how does child classes will know what we are calling, like here you written speak method has for both of them, right? For animal and also dog
Mm,
class, you have written
mm, mm,
speak has a method. So how
mm.
does it know you are calling exactly which you are calling? Like here it printed dog can bark, but how does it know you are not calling the animal one?
No, no, no. It is actually dog created from animal. Okay. Dog don't want to take the speak method from the animal. Dog itself overloading that method, and I want to use my own way, my own execution.
And if dog want to use animals overloading, it need to write self dot speak in inside print statement or something like that, like you did in the simple inheritance.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So if we remove the self dot speak, it will automatically assume that it is calling for the internal function instead of parent class function.
Exactly.
Okay.
Let me go for encapsulation. So what the meaning of encapsulation? I will tell you. Encapsulation. Okay, fine. Let me define a class called account. Okay, so very simple. That one. Accept it, and self balance. Okay, self dot name is equal to name, and self dot balance. Self dot name is equal to name, and self dot balance equal to balance. So this is constructor. I already told you about the constructor. How to define the constructor? You know that. You know that, right? Okay. So I want to define my own variable inside this. I want to define my own variable inside this constructor. That is a private variable. Okay. Self dot name, that is okay. That you can keep if you want. Okay. And self dot balance, if you want, you can keep. But I want to define my own variable inside this. I can define my own variable. So I don't want to use the previous balance one, and I want to create my own variable. You can create like this: double underscore balance. This is a private variable for the class. Private variable. I will tell you what is a private variable and all. And come down. You can define one more method over there. You can define one more method over there. Def deposit something. Deposit for this self. Sorry. Self compulsory for everywhere. Self comma amount. Self comma amount. Okay. You can keep like this. Yeah, my own variable I defined in private variable in my class, that automatically override in the that automatically override uh, in the next method called deposit. Now I want to see the show balance method. Let me define balance method. Show balance method. This is also okay. Self dot balance. That's it. Okay. Self, and define. This is something like print balance is something. Accept it. Okay, fine. Now I need to create a object for the account. ACC is equal to account, and account itself account itself I want to give the balance. Okay, let me give the 10,000 or 1 lakh. So I don't want to take the name here. Just this is AI is giving. I don't want to use this. So I have some amount now. Self dot balance. I'm just keeping some balance in the class. I'm just keeping some balance in the class. Okay. So for that account, I will deposit the money. So what deposit method is doing here? Balance adding. Okay. So account dot deposit. This is object. So that person want to deposit some money. So when the person want to deposit some 5,000 balance. Okay. Now show balance. You can execute the show balance. Now the balance is name error. What is the name error? Account deposit show balance. Oh, execute first. Now balance is what? Now balance is what? 1,50,000. This is the first object, first person. First object, first person. Sir, whenever you want to define some class private variable, this is called private variable. I want to write something like private variable for the class. Private variable for class or inside class. Whenever you have the private variables inside the class, you can define self dot double underscore and that private variable you can able to utilize inside the class only. So in the deposit, I'm using the same and I am operating that. And whenever you create the object, I given some amount account of basically regularly what we are doing, account parenthesis, that's it, account just parenthesis, then automatically object is creating, that is actually empty class. But today this is not empty class, this is having some encapsulated class. A class encapsulation means, something like capsule, na capsule, what capsule can contain with. Capsule is a class. Capsule can contain some private variables and private methods. Now these private variables and private methods are operating. Basically regularly what we are doing, sir, tell me, yesterday class or previous class, what we are doing, we are just creating the objects and we are just giving the values for that. But today what we are doing is a method to method communication inside the class. These two, deposit method, where this deposit method is available, inside the class or not, where this show
Yes,
balance method is available,
inside the class.
inside the class only. So from the class, through the class, I am operating this. Okay, this is the first person operating the account. Okay, second person, account one, that is account one. Okay, account one is equal to, again account I am giving. Whenever you are giving the account, automatically you can initialize the amount. And second person have something like 2 lakhs, and he want to deposit some amount. Okay, so he want to deposit something like 1 lakh. Okay, then show balance of the person, this person, account one dot show balance, yeah, this one, show underscore balance, huh? Spelling, show balance. This is the second person account. Balance is 3 lakhs. He had already 2 lakhs and he added some more 1 lakh rupee. That is something like, am I clear, guys? Understanding the session?
Yes, sir. Understood. So you are saying that if we use encapsulation, if we use underscore balance, that underscore will make it as private variable inside the class.
Private variable inside the class. Wherever you want,
and
you
it
can
can
use inside the class.
Inside the class only. Outside the class, we cannot use it. Suppose
We
if we have
cannot use.
inheritance, parent class private variable cannot be used in child class.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm writing clearly. We can use inside the class itself. Okay. Let me go to the one more concept in polymorphism. What is the meaning of polymorphism, guys? Anybody? What is the meaning of
Many forms.
polymorphism? Many
Having many
forms.
forms.
For example, one woman is there. Woman work like a teacher. Woman work like a housewife, and woman work like a mother. And she had many forms actually. Person is one, but she is actually acting like a uh, three stages. Okay, so when she goes to the school, she's working as teacher. When she is in the house, he's like a homemaker. and when she is pampering the kids and she is working like a mother, something like that. Many forms we can able to work like. Okay, so let me write a proper program for that. You can able to understand and how this works like. Okay, let me take a class called bird. Okay, class called bird, and this bird have something like speak ourself, accept it. Class called dog. Uh, I don't want dog, I want sparrow. We are talking about when we are defining the class, please go ahead with the capital letter. That is important. And this is coming from bird. Okay, sparrow is a bird, huh? Okay, then, and bird cannot speak about. Bird can fly only. Bird can fly. Hmm. Next, and here I want to define something, and def fly and itself fly again. And what this happening here, what this class is going to be happening with. Already we done a concept previously. Already we done one concept previously. What is going to be do? What we done, sir?
Sir,
Method.
could you repeat the question?
This concept already we done previously. Whatever the
Yes, some
concept I am
method.
writing here. Method.
Yeah,
Single inheritance.
no,
Method
method
overload.
overloading.
Method overloading.
Oh,
Method overloading. The same method I'm using in the child class. Okay, that is method overloading. But okay, this concept is basically polymorphism. Class ostrich. Class ostrich. She is also bird, and ostrich also can fly. Now, what I can do? I can make it a I can make it a simple for loop for that. Okay, for bird in three things. One sparrow, one sparrow, this class, and ostrich. Okay, I am just running with the for loop here, and directly I can say bird can fly. Bird can fly. Bird is the object, sir. Remember, bird is object. Remember. So one object, same object I am creating. Same object I am creating for sparrow and ostrich. Same object I am creating for sparrow and ostrich. Am I clear? And for loop is runs now. Okay. Sparrow can fly, ostrich can fly. Many forms, many forms. A bird have many forms. Now you can see a bird is there. That bird have many forms. Same like woman, you can write one more example. A woman, 1 second guys, just give me 1 second. One second. Mm, yeah. The same example can I write for woman? If I write for woman, what woman can do? Woman is housemaker and woman a teacher and woman is mother. Okay, but you can write a for loop and you can able to understand how the things are going to be happening with. Okay, this is about the polymorphism. Okay, so I'm using actually mobile net. Maybe in the next class also I need to take at least 30 minutes. I'm just signing off now, and you people can practice this till now whatever we discussed. If you have any questions, we discuss in the next class.
could you
Okay, for
share
the next.
the this file to me? I shared the email address. Me and Gagan shared here
Yeah,
in the
yeah,
chat.
definitely. I will took your email address and I will share all the files, whatever we done so far. This total notebook I will share. If anybody not given email IDs, please provide email IDs.
Thank you, sir.
And one more thing, guys, I want to. This is please request. Please keep the status. We are giving more technologies free of cost. That is the help actually we are asking. Please share this one with your social media or with your WhatsApp groups and all, and your status also. I want more people see in the Gen AI class, at least 30 people, 40 people. That is my agenda, Mohan's agenda. Am I clear? This is the help actually we are asking. And
So
please like the videos and please provide your comments, guys. If you provide your comments, video reach to unknown person also. That is a work actually YouTube is doing. Please do that. Like the video and comment the video. Share with your friends also. So please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If anybody not subscribed the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. The next class will be at 12. That Mon stack. We have the session for half an hour. I don't have that much mobile data. Why? Because of these recorded sessions, live sessions will take much data actually. Saturday, na network issues will be there. Okay, fine, guys. Have a good day. See you signing off.